you've been struggling to get control of your finances, these 5 bad money habits may be holding you back. Let's talk about them. Hello, everyone, and welcome to IminiWealthTV, your go-to channel for all things money and finance. I am lolaowokoniran. Today, we are diving into a topic that hits close to home: bad money habits. We all need to avoid this year. Stick around because, let's be honest, we've all been guilty of a few of this. Yes. The first bad money habit you want to avoid this year is spending more than you make. Yes, it's very possible to spend, say, $2,000 a month each month when your paycheck is about $1,500 a month. Spending more than you make or you earn is easier than you think. It comes easily, it happens easily if you're not conscious about it and intentionally doing the right things to correct it. Keep your spending within your monthly income so that you are living within your means and not creating debts, absorbing debts. Reduce your spending below your income and use the extra money to pay off your debts. Most importantly, learn to live below your means, but within your needs. Which leads me to the next bad money habit. Number 2, spending money you don't have. Spending more money than you make is enabled by spending money you don't have or money you haven't even earned yet. You spend money you don't have by using credit cards, by borrowing from family and friends, by taking out a loan, by doing cash advances, and so on. This bad habit also happens when we shop for status, to live up with the Joneses, to live like the Joneses. We shop based on other people's opinions. We shop based on our own personal emotions, what we're going through. We shop based on notoriety, following social media trends, by always buying the latest fashionable items that we don't need and don't even have the money to buy them. So we want to stop this bad habit of spending money we don't have this year. Try cutting back on your expenses and relying only on your income to cover your expenses. And lastly, develop a savings habit. This will help you in the long run. Another bad money habit we want to stop this year is using credit card for purchases. Now, if you're purchasing things on your credit card and you're paying off your balances every month, that's not bad because you're being responsible with credit, building an excellent credit. That's a good thing. The idea of a credit card is the ability to pay later for items that you buy now using that credit card. Some credit cards have reward programs that let you earn cash back, miles, points as an incentive to use your credit card more. If you choose to take advantage of your reward earnings, only charge what you would have purchased with cash and pay off the purchases as soon as possible. However, if you are using a credit card to purchase things you truly can't afford and you're not able to pay off your balance every month, that in itself is a bad money habit you definitely want to get rid of this year. This causes you to accumulate debt over time. And remember, these credit cards usually have a high interest rate. You want to avoid this habit by budgeting for those things you want to buy. Things for entertainment, vacation plans, and so on. You want to include these things on your budget so that you accommodate the lifestyle that you want for yourself. So you can avoid using a credit card for things that you can't necessarily afford for cash, and budget for those expenses ahead of time, so you have money set aside to cover those things you want to enjoy in life. Another bad money habit you want to avoid this year is using debt to pay off debts. When you use credit cards to pay off other cards and loans to pay off other loans, you're not paying off anything. You're just shuffling your debt around and incurring more debts each time you do so. Transferring a balance once or twice to take advantage of, a great interest rate is a different situation from continually transferring balances to dodge paying off those debts or credit card payments. Avoid this bad habit this year. It is very important. Lastly, a bad money habit you want to avoid definitely is ignoring your finances. Not looking at your bills, not looking at your bank statement, not looking at your debts, not knowing your interest rates on your debts, on your loans, not knowing where you stand financially as a person or as a family. That is the biggest bad money habits you want to avoid this year. You need to know where you stand financially every day, so you know exactly what you need to get you to where you want to be financially. So it begins by reviewing your finances, your debt. Look into your income. Has there been any changes in the past year to this current year, or month to month? Any changes on your income, any changes on your expenses, on your bills? And ultimately, you want to create a budget. A budget is your financial roadmap to help you to know exactly how you need to spend your money to reach your financial goals. Now, if you're new to budgeting, you can grab my free budget template that will help you create a budget to manage your money more effectively this year. The link for that is in the description of this video. Now, I've given you 5 bad money habits to avoid this year. Make sure you check out this video where I share good, healthy money habits to adopt this year to take control of your finances. If you have tips, tricks, or bad habits you've conquered this year, share them in the comment section of this video. As always, if you found this video helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up and share. And if you want more IminiWealthTV content on money and finance, don't forget to subscribe. And until next time, stay financially empowered. Bye for now.